Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to set up a confessions bot in Discord. So first go to your top.gg and go ahead and search for confessions. And then in here, just invite this bot to your Discord channel. You'll then be redirected to the app. Now, just choose the server you wanted to add confessions bot. Then just authorize it for the roles and then you're good to go. Now, once you're here, what you need to do is type /config and then click on begin the setup. So first thing you need to do is to add the channels where people can do confessions. So in here, I just added all the public channels that I wanted. Now once you're done ticking the boxes, just go ahead and click enter. And then next is, if you want to make a review channel, you can go ahead and skip, or you can choose or create a channel where you can verify the confessions. So in here, the person can approve or deny the confessions. So you need to add the member and maybe you can make it private. So once you have it, so just select the channel you've created and then click enter again. And then if you want to have unauthorized logs for the confessions, you can, but I don't want to. Then next you can edit the buttons. If this is good for you, just click continue and then you can go ahead and test your confessions. Just type /confess message and then this message will appear. Now go to your review channel. You'll see here it would try to verify your confession. Only the message can be seen. So if it's approved, then it goes to where you wanted to put it. So that's it guys. Hope this helps.